Welcome to this rare opportunity for a horse farm or a private retreat on 16.2 acres. This property includes a beautifully updated home and 3 separate parcels, with the home on 6 acres, a 5-acre pasture, and another 5 acres with well, septic, and views of Mount St. Helens. Designed for entertaining, the outdoor amenities are perfect for large or small gatherings or just relaxing in your own private oasis. Heading inside, discover a fantastic floor plan with soaring ceilings, peaceful views, hardwood floors, and abundant natural light. The remodeled chef's kitchen features granite countertops, a large island with an eating bar, double ovens, and tons of storage space. French doors open to the office. The spacious vaulted living room has views of its own. From your master bedroom suite, you can head out to the hot tub and pool, complete with a fully equipped pool house. The spa-like master bath features a tile shower, a dual sink vanity, and a soaking tub. This 3-bedroom home has 3 full baths and more than 3,100 square feet. An upper-level bonus room is perfect for a second office or a hobby room. French doors open to the expansive deck with a gazebo and a greenhouse. It's a property with endless possibilities. The owner has a horse boarding business, and it can be continued. You can build a new home or sell a parcel. The barn is perfectly set up for a horse facility with 9 stalls with rubber mats, a tack room, and full power. You'll find several individual pastures with 6 paddocks, each with lights, power, and water. It's also a great location near other acreage properties and horse boarding facilities. An exceptional opportunity for a beautiful home or horse property, and it's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Directors Mortgage.